In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wix Editor not loading. We've all been there. You're ready to make some updates on your Wix site, but frustratingly, the editor just doesn't load. Don't worry, because we're going to walk through a quick and effective method to get things working again. Let's start by navigating to your browser settings. This varies slightly depending on which browser you're using, but generally, you'll find these settings by looking for a menu icon, often represented as three dots or lines, usually located in the top right corner of your browser window. Click on this and look for the Settings option. This is where most of the magic happens when it comes to browser troubleshooting. Once in the settings, you want to search for the option to clear your browsing data. This can often be found under a Privacy and Security tab. The aim here is to clear your cache and cookies. These are little files that your browser stores to help load pages faster, but over time they can build up and actually cause issues like the one we're addressing today. So find the button or link that says Clear Browsing Data or Clear Cache and Cookies. Depending on your browser, there might be a drop-down menu that allows you to choose a time range. For this purpose, you might want to select all time to ensure that nothing old is interfering with the Wix editor loading. Be sure to check the boxes for cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. After you've selected these options, hit the Clear Data button and allow your browser a moment to do its job. This process can take a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on how much data you have stored. Once that's done, try accessing your Wix editor again. You can do this by opening a new tab and logging back into your Wix account to see if these steps have helped resolve the issue. Clearing your cache and cookies doesn't just free up space on your computer. It can also eliminate bugs and glitches that may have been causing connectivity issues with websites, including the Wix editor. If everything is back up and functioning correctly, you should be able to start editing your site without any more hiccups. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've just taught your browser how to communicate more effectively with the Wix editor. Remember, if you run into this problem again in the future, you now have a handy trick up your sleeve to quickly get back on track. Thanks for watching and happy editing.